Hello students, welcome to my channel, and if you find this video useful for you, then please like, comment and share and subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my upcoming videos. Okay, so today's topic is climate and factors affecting climate. So first we will see what is the climate. The average weather condition at any place over a long period of time, that is 25 to 30 years, is called climate of that place. Climate is not the same as weather. Weather can change within minutes, but climate describes a region's weather conditions over a long period, of time, that is 25 to 30 years. Okay. Every region has its own climate, that we know. Some on the earth, some places are very hot and dry, some places are always having rainy season, like tropical regions, they get heavy rainfall throughout the year. Some places are very cold, like Arctic and Antarctic regions on the earth. So this depends on this climate of a place depends on different factors, that and these factors determine that what will be the climate of that place. Okay, so the average weather condition at any place over a long period of time is called the climate of that place, and it does not changes like the weather. Weather can change many times a day, but climate remains same for many months, 3 to 4 months. Okay, so there are different factors that affect the climate. So the first one is distance from the sea. Okay, this distance we can say that the coastal areas. Okay, coastal areas are near the sea, that means they are cooler, and wetter than the inland areas. Now what are inland areas? Inland areas are the it is the land that is away from the sea. Okay, it is away from the sea. So coastal areas are cooler and wetter than the inland areas. Okay, then we have altitude. Altitude means the height of the place from the sea level. So this altitude plays very important role, because as you go higher, the place becomes cooler, means higher the place, cooler it is. Okay, that's why the hill stations which are situated in the mountains and hills, they are cooler in summer also, summer season also, and that's why we visit hill stations during the summer season. Okay, then we have ocean currents. Ocean currents, warm ocean currents make the climate warm and wet, or warm and wet, and cool ocean currents make climate colder and dry. See, because of these ocean currents, the climate is affected. Ocean currents bring the warm climate around the area, and these warm ocean currents, they affect the climate of that particular place. Okay, and when these ocean currents are cold, they the atmosphere over these places, it is how it is cold and dry. That means ocean currents are also a factor that affects the climate of a place. Okay, then we have distance from the equator. Regions closer to the equator receive more heat, and so they are very hot. Equatorial regions are very hot because they receive more sunlight, and it is cooler at north and south pole, as the sun rays fall on wider area and are less intense. The sun rays that are falling on the north and south pole of the earth, they are less intense, means they are not having so much heat. Okay, and that's why these places receive less sunlight, and they are colder than the equatorial region. So distance from the equator also plays an important role. Okay, then we have winds. Winds blowing from the sea or oceans bring rain to the coastal areas and dry weather to the inland areas. In India, we know that the monsoon winds, okay, these monsoon winds cause rainfall. Okay, monsoon winds cause rainfall in the most of the parts of India, and these winds come from the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Okay, these monsoon winds enter India in two branches, that is Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal, and this cause rainfall in rainy months, okay, in the monsoon season all over the India. So winds also is a very important factor of climate, okay. Then we have relief features. Now relief features means the physical features of the country, okay, or a particular area. If high mountains region is there, that means they are having cold climate than the low lying regions, because just these relief features are these mountains are at high altitudes from the sea level or above the sea level. They are at high altitudes, they have great heights, and that's why they are very cold than the low lying areas like the plains. And the best example is the Himalayas in India, okay. And opposite to this, the plateaus, they are hot and dry because they receive less rainfall. They receive less rainfall and they are hot and dry. Then deserts and desert areas, they are also hot and dry, and the coastal areas are moderate, means the temperatures do not vary. That means the temperature maximum and minimum temperature does not vary, and that's why they are there is moderate climate, means not too hot or not too much cold, it is moderate, okay. And the example of this relief feature is the Western Ghats, that I will tell you now. In the southern part of India, okay, southern India, we have this coastal area here. This is here Arabian Sea, okay, Arabian Sea, and here these states are there, and this is the inland area. Inland means the plateau, okay, Deccan Plateau. Then here we have Western Ghats. What is this? Western Ghats. And this side is known as windward side, and this side is known as leeward side. So in the east of this Western Ghats, it receives heavy rainfall because it is windward side, and windward side means the winds that are blowing towards the land from the sea, Arabian Sea, they are carrying clouds with them, and because of this Western Ghats, or we can say these mountains, what happens, these clouds, they here the rainfall is more because these clouds are stopped by these Western Ghats, these mountains here, okay. Then whatever after raining here, then whatever clouds are left, or whatever water is left in the clouds, it is blown to the leeward side of this mountains, or leeward side of this Western Ghats, and here there will be less, or we can say light rainfall, because the most of the rainfall is here, and the remaining whatever water is there, or whatever clouds are there, they cause rainfall in this particular area, and this region receives less rainfall because it is a leeward side. So we can say that windward side gets heavy rainfall and leeward side gets less rainfall or light rainfall, okay. Then we have human activities. So it is also a factor that contributes in the climate changes, that deforestation on the large scale, it results into increase in the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and this increase in the amount of carbon dioxide in atmosphere, it increases global temperature, that we say global warming is there. This is because of human activities. And then industrialization, use of fossil fuels is responsible for increased level of carbon dioxide in the air, and also industrialization causes acid rain and air, water and soil pollution, means human activities are also playing important role in the climate of a particular place. Then we have climate of our country. it is of mixed type, because we know that India is having different relief features, that we have mountains, we have deserts, we have coastal plains, we have plains, we have plateaus. Okay, and that's why we have mixed type of climate. That means and India lies in the northern hemisphere, and it is India has tropical in the southern tropical climate in the southern part, and temperate in the northern part. Means we have different types of climate. So northern plains are in northern plains, summers are hot and humid, winters are cold, and they receive heavy rainfall. Then in Himalayas, summers are pleasant and there is heavy rainfall during the winters. Then in central India, it is heavy monsoon is there. In the western India, the places are hot and dry summers, they are having hot and dry summers, then they get less rainfall and they have cold winters. Okay, then coastal areas are moderate, they are having moderate climate, that means not too hot or not too cold. Okay, not it is moderate, and they receive heavy rainfall in the coastal areas. Then inlands are they are pleasant, they are having pleasant climate. Okay, and there is low rainfall. So this is all about the climate of our country. Okay, then here we will stop, we'll meet in our next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.